Hi, Mother. Mother, good morning.
Morning.
Look for my mother. Hey. Oh, you mean I put your rub your foot? What you putting on? Shea butter?
Yeah.
You're putting on shea butter on your heels and on your toes.
Yeah.
All right, goody mother. That's my mother family. And for those of you who are in tune to the channel, you already know that's my madre. Yes. That's my good mother. And yes, I'm still in Jamaica. I took a little extension. Rasta left 2 weeks ago roughly. And I did an extra 2 weeks because you know that dad passed away last year. So whenever we come to Jamaica, I tend to spend some more time with mom. So yeah, I'm still here. And I'm hanging in the balance. All is well.
Taxi's here.
And she's off. You're going to church now?
Yes.
All right, goody.
I'm in Rolly.
So Rolly's here to pick up mom to take her to church.
See you
So
later.
here she goes. Yes,
See you
ma'am.
later.
See you later, alligator.
Yeah.
When you come back, you go sweep or me fi sweep. Okay. All right. You looking good though, mom. You see mother? A mother that I go to church, you know. Sister Elaine, you're going to church too? Sister Elaine, you're going in the cab? You're going to church? Sister Elaine, what you talking about?
They're talking about church, so your mommy asked me if we going funeral and me tell her no church.
Oh, because you're in black today.
Okay, bye-bye.
Sister Elaine,
Yes,
praise the Lord here.
yes, sweetie.
Remember me in prayer. Blessed love. All right, Brother Rolly. Give thanks and praise, man. Every time, one love. Bless up on yourself. Mother,
Yes,
see you in a bit.
see you later.
All right, alligator.
Bye-bye.
See you later. Drive safely.
Observe the 4 legs on the
trouble.
X chromosome, the 3 legs on
Family! Aye!
the 7 is
Yes,
the
family,
completion,
see,
nevertheless,
hello.
never the why.
So mama is God,
2 plus 2
church.
times 2 is the same in the eye.
That's
The
it. Let's
mitochondria
go.
squarely proves how much of the blueprint she provide. The fullness of joy in a sober overflow. Suffer, say refuse in a reverse if you know.